Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening the video you want to watch in your chosen app or browser. Pause the video so the player controls remain visible for the next steps. Look for a settings gear icon or a CC button near the playback controls. Click that icon to open the menu of options available for this video. Scan the menu for the entry labeled Subtitles, Captions, or Languages and prepare to open it. This step ensures you access subtitle toggles before changing any language settings. With the Subtitles menu open, locate the language or choose Language option in the list. Click the language entry to display all available subtitle tracks and auto-translate choices. Find the language you prefer, such as English, Spanish, or French, and click it to activate that subtitle track immediately. If you see an auto-translate option, open it and pick a target language instead of a native track. Confirm the change by watching a few lines of dialogue to verify timing and accuracy. After selecting a language, confirm subtitles appear and sync with the audio for correct timing. If captions seem out of sync, toggle the subtitle option off and on to force a quick resync. Use an auto-translate feature if no native subtitle exists, or upload a local SRT file if the player supports file imports. Check accessibility or subtitle settings to adjust size, color, and position for better readability on your screen. Save any profile or account preferences to keep this language as your default for future videos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.